In the annals of American history, the year 1901 stands as a pivotal juncture. It was a year marked not only by the winds of change, but also by an event that would etch itself indelibly into the tapestry of the nation's collective memory. This is the story of President William McKinley's shooting, a tale of dire circumstances and miraculous resilience, a chapter that captures the quintessence of unity and human fortitude. Chapter 1: The Fateful Day. On September 6, 1901, the President of the United States, William McKinley, was attending the Pan American Exposition in Buffalo, New York. A seemingly ordinary day took a sudden and malevolent turn when a deranged anarchist, Leon Cholgus, in a brazen act of violence, fired 2 shots at the president. The nation was thrust into a state of shock and dismay as the president lay grievously wounded, his life teetering on the precipice of uncertainty. Section 1: The Shockwave of an Assassination. The news of the assassination attempt reverberated far and wide, causing tremors of disbelief and dread. The American populace, irrespective of political affiliation or creed, was united by a common sentiment: deep concern for the life of their president. A pall of anxiety descended upon the land as churches, synagogues, and places of worship were inundated by supplicants, fervently invoking the grace of Providence for McKinley's recovery. Chapter 2: The Heroic Surgeon Dr. Roswell Park. At the epicenter of the effort to salvage the president's life stood the eminent surgeon, Dr. Roswell Park. Born in 1852, Dr. Park's name resonated with authority in the annals of American medicine. His illustrious career was a testament to the heights that medical science could attain. As the attending surgeon, Dr. Park was confronted with the gravest of responsibilities, navigating the intricate terrain of saving a president's life. His dexterous hands, guided by the wisdom of medical science, would go on to perform surgical feats that would be etched into the annals of surgical history. Section 2: The War on Infection and Time. The medical team, orchestrated by Dr. Park, embarked upon a harrowing struggle against infection and time. Their modus operandi was punctuated by pioneering surgical techniques and rigorous sterilization protocols. The race against time unfolded with an intensity that only a president's life hanging in the balance could instigate. Chapter 3: The Arduous Climb to Recovery. In the days that succeeded the harrowing event, President McKinley's condition embarked on a tenuous trajectory toward convalescence. The nation, akin to a collective sentinel, kept a vigilant eye on the president's progress. The tale of McKinley's gradual convalescence metamorphosed into a beacon of hope and an emblem of resilience. Conclusion: A nation's resilience. The narrative of President McKinley's convalescence in the crucible of 1901 symbolizes the indomitable spirit of a nation in the throes of adversity. It is a narrative that underscores unity, determination, and human tenacity. The resilience exhibited by the American people during this critical juncture in history serves as an enduring testament to the strength of a democracy in the face of tribulation. This narrative, in its rich and nuanced tapestry of words, not only delves into history, but also provides an unparalleled platform for the enhancement of English language skills. Within its folds, you can explore an expansive lexicon encompassing medical terminology, emotions, and the extraordinary resilience of a nation facing the crucible of time. If you have any specific inquiries or aspects you'd like to delve into within this narrative, please feel free to specify, and I will gladly provide further insights.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars